Let's package this beautiful handmade birthday outfit together. I'm showing how I prepared every order at Crown Vicky's Creation, from the final press to that satisfying seal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crown Vicky's Creation. I'm super glad you are here. Let's get started. The first thing I do is I check the outfit to be sure every stitch is neat and perfect. Then I fold it carefully to keep it clean and elegant because every detail matters. This particular order is really special. It's for a birthday girl and her little sister, who will both be wearing matching outfits. I loved creating these pieces and seeing how perfectly they complement each other. I pack it in a bag and seal it, ready to pick up by our local client here in the Peck City. And that's how we package each handmade order here at Crown Vicky's Creation, with quality, passion, and a personal touch. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves handmade fashion. See you in my next sewing video. And remember, every stitch tells a story.